Hello friends, Subaru releases new Crosstrek model in UK. Subaru Crosstrek released in the UK replacing outgoing XV model. 10% stiffer chassis for more improved dynamic performance and ride quality. All-wheel drive system with X mode and 220mm class leading ground clearance. 11.6 inches multimedia touchscreen infotainment display with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Eyesight driver assistant technology standard across all range. Subaru Crosstrek starts from £34,290 with order books open now. Subaru Crosstrek is powered by brand's trusted 2.0-liter four-cylinder direct-injected Subaru e-Boxer engine producing 136 PS of power and 182 Nm of torque with a 0.62 miles per hour time of 10.8 seconds and a top speed of 123 miles per hour. Standard on all trim levels is a Lineartronic CVT with smoother and quieter performance. In case of interior, the cabin benefits from enhanced focus on the occupants and their interaction with the vehicle. A more sportive front seat design increases overall comfort. A focused effort on reducing sound with particular frequency ranges has resulted in a quieter and more comfortable cabin environment. Finishing of the interior, 11.6 inches high-resolution touchscreen infotainment display fitted as standard on Crosstrek models is equipped with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with full-screen display. The onboard multimedia system also works as central infotainment display with a combination meter integration and on-screen control for audio, climate, and vehicle function. Additional features including Bluetooth, hand-free phone, and audio streaming connectivity, AM, FM, stereo, and DBA audio, and a rear vision camera. In case of safety, standard on all Crosstrek models is the latest version of the award-winning Eyesight driver assistant technology. The enhanced system operated more smoothly and quickly and under a greater range of conditions. Automatic emergency steering is now included on all models, equipped with blind spot detection, lane keeping assistant, and rear cross traffic alert system. The safety features work with the eyesight and blind spot direction to assist with the steering control to help avoid collision within a lane at a speed less than 50 miles per hour. Driver monitoring system is also now fitted as a standard to Crosstrek models.